In the Islamic faith, the concept of Christ and the Antichrist holds significant importance. Today, we delve into this profound belief that shapes the understanding of the end times in Islam. The Quran, the holy book of Islam, mentions Prophet Isa, Jesus, as one of the great prophets sent by Allah, God, to guide humanity. He is highly revered as the Messiah and holds a special place in the hearts of Muslims. According to Islamic teachings, it is believed that Prophet Isa will return to earth during the end times. His return is considered a sign of the impending day of judgment. He will descend in the same manner as he ascended, and his coming will be a time of justice, peace, and righteousness. However, along with the return of Prophet Isa, Islamic eschatology also speaks of a deceptive figure known as the Dajjal, or the Antichrist. The Dajjal is a false messiah, characterized by his immense power to deceive and manipulate. He will spread falsehood, disbelief, and chaos, leading many astray from the true path of Islam. The arrival of the Dajjal will test the faith of believers, separating the true believers from those who succumb to his deceitful allure. The genuine followers of Islam will remain steadfast in their beliefs and seek refuge in Allah's protection. Islam emphasizes the importance of preparing for the future and the coming of these significant events. The concept of Christ and the Antichrist in Islam serves as a reminder for Muslims to strengthen their faith, uphold their values, and stand firmly against falsehood. It highlights the importance of seeking knowledge and understanding the signs of the end times. As we reflect on these teachings, let us strive to lead lives of compassion, kindness, and righteousness, remembering the words of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, whoever believes in Allah and the last day should do good and be generous to his neighbor. In times of uncertainty, the Islamic faith provides hope and guidance, reminding us to remain steadfast in our beliefs and actions. Through faith, compassion, and knowledge, we can navigate the challenges of life and await the day when justice, peace, and truth prevail. Indeed, with hardship comes ease. Al-Quran.